Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.